Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over some technical analysis on the S&P 500, also look at a couple of our plays, kind of check in on those and kind of go from there. So before we get into it, just a reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research. Also, if you find value in the video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content, and hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. So I'm going to take a look at the S&P 500. We talked about 3,800 being that key support level that we need to stay above. We actually broke below that and got as low as 3,750. So not sure if this is going to be the overall bottom, but I think temporarily this could be where we bottom out at. As you see, we're kind of getting close to getting back to that $3,800 level. So I think, around noon we should push up to the 3,800, and then at the end of the day, we'll probably fall back down to roughly where we are currently now. So the good news is we are so oversold on the 180-day 4-hour time frame that we should see some type of bottom out here and then move back to retest that 39.79 level. That's your first level of resistance, and from there 41.58. We're trading very far below that red SMA line, which is a little concerning, but however, I think that this is going to provide everyone with a lot of great buying opportunities, okay? And it's not just this stock market, it's the crypto market right now that's crashing as well. So Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, Cardano, all of these, plays that we've been talking about and we've been loading up on, I am using this as a buying opportunity, okay? So I'm deposited more money in this week for Shiba Inu because I bought more last week as it fell. We lost another 0, so I'm going to buy some more and get a lot more bang for my buck on the Shiba Inu. I'm not putting a lot of money into it, but I am getting a lot of tokens out of it because of the price is so cheap. Also, just want to let you know what I did on a swing trading perspective. I just bought a little bit of AMC, and I'm going to look to swing it for about 5 to 6%, and then I'm going to get out of it again. This is one stock that if you're subscribed to the channel, I have a separate account where I'm trading, swing trading only. So I've already swung trade AMC twice, for first time for a 6% gain, next time 4.5% gain. So now I'm going to focus on anywhere from 4 to 10% on my swing trade. So I just bought AMC here, and I'm going to look to sell probably at about the 13, somewhere in the $13 mark. I'm going to get out of that and then look to re-enter later unless we have a lot of momentum coming in. I did also buy some more TQQQ on swing play. This is more of a longer term swing for me, as it falls down, I'm nibbling here and there, and then once the markets actually do recover, I think that's whenever I'm going to see my my gains. I'm going to get my my patience will pay off, I guess is what I'm going to say on this one, because as the markets start recovering, this is going to go very aggressive to the upside. This is tracking the NASDAQ, right? So the NASDAQ's getting beat down right now, and as we start recovering, once we get to that $40-50 mark, a couple months from now, I'm going to really reap the benefits of that. And also Tesla, we'll take a look at Tesla. Talked about how we could possibly see 600 again, and if we do get closer to 600 down here, that's where I'm a buyer. If it comes back down to about 620, I'm going to go ahead and buy some more here, and then just kind of wait, because I've already bought some here, and I buy some here, and then just kind of hold and wait for it to turn back around. As this one here as a has a proxy statement, or at least they're going to try to do a 3-for-1 stock split. So worst case, if the stock price doesn't shoot up pre-split, I'm going to get 3 times the amount of shares as I currently have now. Okay, another one to look at is Amazon. Okay, we're looking at Amazon. Talked about looking at getting in at 110, but I'm glad I didn't, because now, as you see here, we got as low as 100. I'm going to look to probably add some here on a swing play as well, and maybe try to get out at about 110 to 115. So the VIX currently is a little bit above 32. I think 33 was the last I checked, but I think it's going to probably start trickling down a little bit at some point today. So anytime we get to the high 30s, eventually what will happen is things will start to cool off. We'll kind of start moving back to the upside, and that'll slowly trickle its way down. I do expect to have maybe a little relief rally tomorrow in the markets. However, I think the Fed speaks again on Wednesday, so you can expect another sell-off, in my opinion. I think this week's going to be super volatile, and until we get these inflation numbers and CPI numbers down, I think that you're going to continue to see the markets take a little spike up and then a big pull down until we find some type of bottom. So anyway, I think yeah, it's nasty, but this is where you make your money, is whenever everything crashes. You have a lot of good buying opportunities in your in your stock. So that's what I'm doing. I'm using it to nibble and load up my positions and just wait for the turnaround. So we just kind of have to wait and be patient. So anyway, guys, just want to provide you that update. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.